Clearing your search history on CapCut can help maintain your privacy and declutter your app experience. Follow these steps to easily remove your search history. Step 1. Open CapCut. Launch the CapCut app on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Access Profile. Tap on your profile icon, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Go to Settings. In your profile, look for the Settings option, often represented by a gear icon. Tap on it to enter the Settings menu. Step 4. Find Search History. Scroll through the Settings menu to locate the Search History option. This section contains your previous searches within the app. Step 5. Clear Search History. Once you are in the Search History section, look for an option to clear or delete your search history. Confirm your choice to remove all entries. After completing these steps, your search history on CapCut will be cleared. Regularly managing your search history can enhance your user experience and privacy.